night.
The Eddies itself is a symbol of excellence in the entertainment community. To encapsulate such prestige, it can only result into a work of art.
Here is the evolution of the Eddies Trophy from then until now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage the creator of this year's Eddies Trophy, our very own, Mr. Leandro Valdemor.
Trophy creator, Mr. Leandro Valdemor.
Thank you, sir. Now, before we continue, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Kimpi De Leon and Romnix Hermenta, and thank you, Chan Robles and company, the Eddies official editor.
At eto na, to officially begin the night, here is OPM icon Miss Imelda Papin together with Jerry Olea of PEP to present the first set of awards.
Matapang sumubok sa karera ng pelikula kung saan ang kanyang sipag at determinasyon ay nagbunga ng matagumpay na produksyon.
Isa na dito ang pelikulang Malyari. Mula sa Metro Manila Film Festival nitong nakaraang taon, it's an honor to present the Rising Producer Circle Award to Mr. Brian D. of Mentor Productions.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you tonight as the recipient of the Rising Film Producer of the Year. This recognition means so much to me, and I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has supported and believed in me along this incredible journey. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors for this prestigious award. Your recognition inspires me to continue pushing the boundaries of creativity and storytelling in the Filipino film industry. To my family, friends, to Piolo Pascual for saying yes to Malyari, and sa mga boss ko na siya ring aking mga mentors. Thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your belief in me has been a constant source of strength and motivation. To the talented teams I have had the privilege to work with, Nay Omar, Derek, Enrico Santos, Rico Gonzalez of Warner Brothers, and sa lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko sa harap at likod ng camera, thank you for your dedication, passion, and collaboration. This award is as much as yours as it is mine. Receiving this award is not just a personal achievement, but a reminder of the responsibility we have to this industry. It fuels my passion and determination to create more meaningful and impactful projects. It is my personal goal and Mentor Productions' commitment to championing newcomers in our industry. To the established institutions of this industry, We hope to collaborate with you in the future. Let us build a culture. I am excited for the future and the projects that lie ahead. Let's continue to tell our stories, celebrate our culture, and inspire the world with the beauty and richness of Philippine cinema. Thank you once again, Speed, for this incredible honor. I am truly grateful and inspired to do more, be more, and give back to the industry that has opened my eyes to its immense power. Its power to unite all of us so that we can be proud of who we are. Mabuhay ang Eddies, mabuhay ang Speed.
Sa V-Red Award, please welcome Best Actor nominee, Cedric Juan and G. Trilliana.
Our next special award is in commemoration of Speed's founding president, Isa V. Red. He was known for his love of God, country, and community, a love that had a lasting impact in the lives of many.
This recognition is given to these two individuals who extended their roles in the entertainment industry through their advocacies and humanitarian efforts.
It's an honor. It's an honor to present the Isaiah V. Red Award to our first awardee, Mayor Joy Belmonte. And to accept the award on their behalf, here with us is former Quezon City Mayor Sonny Belmonte.
Quirino, I'm a big fan of Joe Quirino. Take it away. Kami lang ang nakakaintindi nun, right? Direct Gina. Tayo lang nakakaalala. But what an honor it is. No, di ba? Well, earlier, tinatanong po ako kung anong pakiramdam ng isang tumatanggap ng Lifetime Achievement Award. And the very first thing that came to my mind was, old. Old. Parang pumapangalawa lang yung malaking karangalan. But truly, I have been a broadcast journalist for more than 30 years. So wag na po kayo maglabas ng inyong mga calculator. Ako po ay 10 years old lang nung ako'y nagsimula. Parang si Manong Chavit naging gobernador nung siya'y paslit pa lamang. So parang yun na akong pinagpapahinga, ano? But let me tell you, awards like this are really an honor. And it really fuels the likes of me to work even harder. Because pangako ko po sa inyo, marami pa pong mga kwentong kailangang ibahagi, mga taong kailangan tulungan, at mga katotohanan na kailangan talagang malaman ng lahat. Ang akin pong pangarap ay muling manumbalik ang pamamahayag na walang kinatatakutan. Yan. Walang preno. Malapit na ulit. Pero papunta na tayo doon. Marami pong salamat sa Eddies. Magandang gabi po.
This year's special awards recipients, let's give them another round of applause.
Panalo sa All TV.
Kasi wala kayo dito. Inaway yung
Deserve.
Katamingin sa isyo. Sa isyo. Huwag tumingin sa isyo. Pag katamingin doon, ay
Excuse po.
Repost kayo, madam. Sabihin ko na ba? Sabihin ko na ba?
Hindi, chicken.
Tingin ko. Kayo, madam.
Dito kasi ayaw pa. Ayaw pa.
Welcome back to the 7th Eddies here at the Newport World Resorts. They say that the magic of cinema is how it blurs the lines between fantasy and
lines in harmony between nature and
Tanong kaya tayo? Or bawal ba? Have to go na siya.
And the Eddie's choice is
Ryan Grimares, Naki Rayanon, and Taong Lipon Creative Studio, Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme.
Eksena. Ding dong Mark. Ding dong. Ding dong. Yung pogi mo maganda.
Gusto lang po.
Congratulations once again to all our Icon awardees. Sobrang inspired po talaga kami sa inyong success and we are so grateful for your immeasurable legacy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong contribution sa pelikulang Pilipino. Talagang hinahangaan po namin kayo at congratulations.
Congratulations once again. Now the excitement builds up as we announce the next set of awards here at the Eddies. More milestones to come your way when we return here at the 7th Eddies. excitement builds up as we announce the next set of awards here at the Eddies. More milestones to come your way when we have return here at the 7th Eddies.
I-edit. Diyos po. Diyos po.
For tonight, please welcome Katana.
Winners ng 500 pesos at linggo-linggo, isang bahay at lupa mula sa Vista Land ang pwedeng maging sayo. Tutok na dito sa All TV. Sa programa, sa papremyo, sa saya, sa All TV, panalo ka!
This is for your, Tita Eva, bigay ko na sa akin. This is for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ay, Jude.
Kayo muna na dalawa. 3, 2, 1.
Did you see Jude?
Alice Vergara. Alice Vergara. Hindi kanina pa dyan sa lapitan eh. Kasi mabagal ko maglakad sa picture kayo dalawa, Alice.
Sino po niyan? Kay Sir Brian.
Sir. Bahala na si Sir Brian.
Ha? Hindi ka nag-sisya.
Ano ha? Picture mo kita ha? Tapos picture mo kita ha? Kay Janine ha? Alam mo naman, di ba madali yun? Ano talaga ha? Ang diba ba picture mo tayo kay Janine? Tapos na ako yung madali. Sorry.
Pwede naman, pwede ako mag-update. Pwede naman, parang 8 tayo.
Panalo sa All TV. Panalo
Malas na rin si Dingdong ko ang kanto.
Hindi, umalis na.
Parang wala na.
Hindi, yata dumaan.